Do you want to remove a black background from a video and place it over another clip? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it using CapCut Mobile. Let's get started! First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device and tap New Project. Select the video or image you want to use as your main background, then tap Add to import it in the timeline. Next, tap Overlay and select Add Overlay. Choose the video with the black background from your gallery and tap Add. Resize and position the overlay as needed. Tap the overlay clip to select it, then swipe through the editing tools and type the splice button. In there, type the lighten mode and adjust its intensity. You can see that the black part of your photo is disappearing. Using 2 fingers, you can resize and adjust the position of your photo. Tap the check mark to finalize your splice. Before exporting, make sure you preview your video by pressing the play button. And that's it! That's how you remove a black background in CapCut Mobile. Transform simple clips into stunning edits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you!